Hello, Internet peeps. I'm Nathan Jones. I'm a principal real estate broker with Berkshire Hathaway Northwest. I'm out of the Lake Oswego office. We're in the Portland metro area. And what we wanted to do today was talk about how, as a real estate broker, I work with buyer clients, obviously, sellers too. And what's happening in the marketplace because of the low inventory, my buyers are just getting their butts kicked on a regular basis by cash offers. Now, what happens is people, they qualify for a loan, they have good credit scores, may even have equity in the home that they're selling, but they can't get it out of there. And we're going up against cash offers. And because the inventory is so low, right now cash is king. So I have a new lender referral partner. That's Christina Rofe here. She's with New American Funding. And they have this unbelievably awesome program. It's a loan program that they put together for me and you guys to go out and use, so now we can compete when we're purchasing properties as a cash offer. It is not too good to be true. It's totally true. So we're going to talk about that now real quick. So
Absolutely.
Christina, go ahead and want to give us a quick summary on how you can help my buyers present offers as cash.
Yeah, absolutely. As you mentioned, cash is king. You know, what my process does is it allows me to turn my normal borrowers into cash buyers.
So you're gonna take my borrowers that have been qualified for a conventional loan, and you're gonna turn them into a cash buyer. To
Absolutely.
The seller.
Cash
Awesome.
buyer.
So
All I need to do is approve them, and they are ready to turn around and present an offer as a cash buyer, get that loan closed, get that property closed within typically 2 weeks. And whether they're selling a home or this is their first home that they're buying, they can move in right away. And
Okay, so we're clear on that. If you have to sell a house to pull your equity out, this loan can cover that. And if you're going to buy another house, you can purchase this one first and then sell your old house later.
yeah,
right?
absolutely.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So now my buyers don't, or actually if I have a seller that wants to buy, they don't have to worry about moving in to their camping gear for a couple of weeks or a couple of months
No.
because they don't know where they're going to move to next. That's pretty cool.
No, they don't have to sell the house from underneath them, so they have a place to live. So in this market, it's fairly easy to sell your house in this market. The more difficult part and more challenging part is to find that home, to find that next home. And by presenting a cash offer, it gives you that edge above other buyers that are coming in with contingencies upon their offer.
Right. So couple more quick questions. Is there like a minimum credit score that my buyer would need to qualify for your program?
We have a variety of different programs that are available, but typically a 620 is close to the minimum of what we would require.
620 is that's basic FHA minimum standard, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
I'm not a lender, I wouldn't know, but that's
yeah. That's pretty much minimum standard.
Okay.
Need superstellar credit. Yeah, we are getting you approved just as a normal mortgage loan.
This isn't like buying a car and then to get the steering wheel, you're going to charge us extra.
No extra for the steering wheel.
Okay.
No.
All right. So, how about can I purchase above single family, or is it basically single family like home purchase program, or can I buy other type of properties?
This is strictly for purchase transactions.
Okay, but maybe single family or home purchase where we're going to live.
Yes, it needs to be your primary residence.
Primary residence. Thank
Primary
you. Okay.
residence.
That's
yes.
the words I was looking
yes.
for. Okay. And let's see. Right now we're doing the podcast from Lake Oswego, and how about let's say you're from Washington, can we spread this out to Oregon and Washington?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Washington, we are a nationwide mortgage lender, and so we can actually do this all over the U.S.
Okay. So you're telling me that if I want to buy a house and I don't have $600,000 laying around, I can actually qualify in your program.
Absolutely.
And when I find the house I want, when I write the offer, I can actually present it to the seller, and it looks like it's cash, and actually it is.
It is cash.
True story.
It's
okay.
100% cash. We are going in and buying it as cash for you as the borrower, if you're the borrower in this situation. We've already had you pre-approved. We know that you can buy it. Maybe you're waiting on the sale of your existing home and that's where all your equity is. We go in and purchase it in cash, close it in the time frame depending on where you're at. It's typically a 2-week close. And you get the keys to the property and you can start moving in.
Okay, that sounds pretty simple to me. So what you guys are going to have to do is schedule us up so you can get into the loan program, and then schedule me up so I can help you go find the house. Peace out. Have a great day.